It's pretty much day 2 of the project. Stripped out, took off the wheel, took off the airbox. We put on new handlebars on there. We have some clubman bars on there. Right now we're gonna fabricate a new seat for it. It's much a cafe style seat. Got the foam. We're looking for new gauge clusters for it, and we're gonna probably end up changing out the lights. We're thinking about putting double headlights on there, but we're not sure yet. We put maybe about 4 hours into this.
Yeah.
So I said a couple months. We might be done with this by the end of this month, or
Middle of next month.
yeah, middle of next month, maybe by the middle of April. I think it's coming along. And once we get everything the way we want it, we'll probably end up stripping everything down, painting the frame, painting the rims, clean everything up, make it shine. Alright, stay tuned.